Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 8, past tense from the book English Grammar 5. We have a simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to indicate an action that took place in the past and is over now. तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हम उन एक्शंस को डिनोट करने के लिए या इंडिकेट करने के लिए करते हैं जो कि पास्ट में हुए हैं और अभी तक वो फिनिश हो चुके हैं, खत्म हो चुके हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल, माई फादर लेफ्ट फॉर दिल्ली yesterday. नाउ वी हैव यूज्ड लेफ्ट. ओके, so this is the past form of the verb leave is used here, right? Then read the following sentences. First, we played a friendly match yesterday. Now played. This is the past form of the verb. Then second, we visited a zoo last Sunday. Then third, they went to Delhi last week. In the above sentences, the verbs played, visited and went are in the simple past tense. जो verbs है played, visited, went, ये तीनों ही simple past tense में है. We use the simple past tense form of the verb. हम simple past tense form of the verb use करते हैं simple past tense में. Okay. Then play, played, visit, visited, go, went. Okay. Use of the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past. उस एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कि पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट वी वेटेड यू फॉर 3 hours. नाउ वेटेड, मैंने आपके लिए 3 घंटे वेट किया. देन सेकेंड, मदर कुक्ड फूड फॉर अस. मम्मी ने हमारे लिए खाना बनाया. ओके, सो कुक्ड. ओके, then for past habits, for the past habits we also use the simple past tense. Examples, first, my grandfather played badminton with me. मेरे ग्रैंडफादर मेरे साथ बैडमिंटन खेलते थे. सेकेंड, I went to visit my grandparents every summer. मैं पहले हर समर में अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास जाता था. ओके, so went. This shows the simple past tense form of the verb here. Okay. Then we have creative skill. Time to do. A, fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of the verb given in the brackets. So we have to fill the simple past tense form of the verb. Okay. First, the children dash play with toys. The answer is played. Then second, you dash drink a cup of tea. The answer is drank. Third, Ashok dash write a letter to his uncle. Answer is wrote. Then fourth, Sarah dash eat her dinner. The answer is ate. Then fifth, I dash see the movie yesterday. The answer is saw. Then sixth, the teacher dash teach the student. The answer is taught. Then seventh, the girls dash sing well. The answer is sang. Then eighth, we dash know all the answers. The answer is knew. Then B, change the following sentences into the simple past tense form. We have to change these sentences into simple past tense. Okay. First, they swim in the pond. The answer is they swam in the pond. Then second, I eat my lunch. The answer is I ate my lunch. Then third, the girls sing sweetly. The answer is the girls sang sweetly. Fourth, Mohit opens the window. The answer is Mohit opened the window. Then fifth, you sing well. The answer is you sang well. Then know it. When we talk of some past habit, we use words such as generally, always, often, usually, every day and sometimes with the simple past tense. जब हम past habits के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम words use करते हैं generally, always, often, usually, every day, sometimes. Okay. Then we have past continuous tense. Read the following sentences. First, Shreya was singing a song. Now, was singing. This shows the past continuous tense. Okay. Second, we were playing football. हम फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. Third, they were dancing on the stage. वो स्टेज पर नाच रहे थे. Now, in the above sentences, the verbs are in the past continuous tense. जो verbs हैं ये सारी past continuous tense में हैं. We have know it. We use was/were plus ing form of the verb. हम was/were use करते हैं और ing form of the verb use करते हैं. Okay, for past continuous tense. Then we have use of past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on at some time in the past. हम past continuous tense वहां use करते हैं उन action के बारे में बात करने के लिए जो past में कुछ देर पहले हो रहा था. Examples: She was drinking a glass of water. वो एक पानी का गिलास पी रही थी. Okay. So was drinking. This is the past form, past continuous form of the verb here. The past continuous tense is also used to show that an action was continuing at a time when a new shorter action happened. जो past continuous tense है वो ये भी show करता है कि action जो है वो continue था जब एक नया shorter action happen हो गया. Example, we were eating our dinner when the doorbell rang. Okay. Then we have creative skill, time to do. A, fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now we have to fill the past continuous tense form. First, Aman dash a book. Read. The answer is was reading. So with singular subjects, we use was plus ing form of the verb, and with plural subjects, we use were plus ing form of the verb. So here is Aman, which is the singular subject. That's why I have used was. Then read. Ing form of this verb is reading. Got it? Then second, she dash a song, sing. The answer is was singing. Then third, when she arrived, we dash chess, play. The answer is were playing. Then fourth, the baby dash because he was hungry, cry. The answer is was crying. Fifth, the train dash at a very high speed, run. The answer is was running. B. Change the following sentences into the past continuous tense. Okay. First, Manas ate an apple. The answer is Manas was eating an apple. Then we have second, we waited for the last train. Now the answer is we were waiting for the last train. Then third, my mother cooked dinner. The answer is my mother was cooking dinner. Then fourth, Rubina sang a song. The answer is Rubina was singing a song. Then we have C, last evening your family and you were doing different activities. Complete the passage to describe what each one of you was doing at 7 o'clock yesterday. Use the past continuous tense. तो लास्ट इवनिंग आप और आपकी फैमिली कुछ डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज कर रहे थे, तो हमें ये पैसेज को कंप्लीट करना है डिस्क्राइब करते हुए कि क्या कर रहे थे आप 7 o'clock yesterday, एंड वी हैव टू यूज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस हियर. My mother was cooking food while my father dash television. The answer is was watching. Then my brother dash in his room and my sister dash for her debate competition. Was sitting in his room and my sister was practicing. My grandparents dash in the room dash to music. Now the answer is were listening to music. Okay. Then we have review. We use the simple past tense to indicate an action that took place in the past and is over now. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का हम वहां यूज करते हैं जो कि पास्ट में आकर हुआ था इवेंट और वो खत्म हो चुका है तभी. ओके. वी यूज द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस टू एक्सप्रेस पास्ट हैबिट्स. पास्ट हैबिट्स को भी डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.